Namaskar and welcome to Rekha's Rasoi. Here's where we chase flavors. When life offers you lemons, they say make lemonade, and why not? This little citric fruit is full of essential nutrients that are so vital for our body that we just cannot do without it. On a personal note, lemon is my go-to fruit, a savior of sorts. Whenever I'm in trouble or whenever I want to give that extra zing to my meal, lemon comes to my rescue. For instance, the other day I was preparing, for want of time, I prepared a one pot dish for lunch just with rice and veggies. But by squeezing lime juice into it, it made a world of difference to the entire meal. And I'm just so excited to show you how I went about it. So, chaliye Rekha se soyi. I'll show you how an ordinary mix of veggies and rice can be converted into a delectable lemon flavored rice. This is 250 grams of basmati rice which was washed and then soaked for 15 minutes in water, and I've drained out the water, and now we'll pressure cook it. Now we'll add in water. The ratio is 1 is to 1.5. That is, for every 1 glass of basmati rice you require 1.5 glass of water. Now to it we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. We put oil so that the rice remains separated and not sticking to each other. After 2 whistles, we'll switch off the gas. Now, while the rice is being cooked, we'll fry our raisins and cashews and the peanuts. For that, we'll take 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. We'll first fry the peanuts. Let it just turn slightly brown. Now our peanuts are fried. Now we'll take it off. Next goes in the cashews. Our cashews are roasted. Let's take them out. And now for the raisins. Now we'll take the raisins off the stove. Now we'll start with frying the potatoes. Now our potatoes are fried enough. Now we'll take them off and move on to frying the vegetables. Now before getting on with frying our vegetables, we'll just check the status of our rice. Our rice is cooked, lightly cooked. So now we'll move on with frying our vegetables. Keep the pan on the gas. The oil is heated enough. Now we'll put the green chilies and fry it for a few seconds. Now we'll add in the onions. To make our onions fry faster, we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll put the list of ingredients in the description box. It will be easier for you. Now we'll fry till the onions become slightly brown. Next we'll add in the carrot. Next we'll add in the beans. Now for the cabbage. For this we don't use any spices or masalas. The green chili will give you the necessary spiciness to the dish. Now it's time for the potatoes. Now we'll add in a few curry leaves. Now in goes the peanuts. Now we'll put in turmeric powder. A little bit, a generous amount, and say a half teaspoon for the color, and salt according to your taste. I'm putting 1 teaspoon salt. You can put salt according to your preference. The vegetables all are cooked. Now we'll add in the lime juice. I've taken 2 lemons for this. Now it's time to add in the rice. We'll just mix all this. Now we'll add some pineapples. Now the cashews and the raisins also will go in. Now we'll give it a mix. And now for some fresh coriander leaves. So now we are ready for a sumptuous meal. So friends, do try this at home, and as usual, like, share, subscribe to my channel Rekha's Rasoi, and until we meet again with another recipe, bye bye.